Programu eji turi kugikora tuti nanye Boaz Tumwesigye aranga ko aratabase nza kubatoroho burwa kana shesha zicuro mbeno twenda kubakira musibire muta emirimo y'musibiremu mwebare eyimwataho emikono yanyu kama nabahereza umugisha ikireki ntwenda kureba impinda hinduka ezi chairman bamwita chairman bamwita patron wa PLU the Patriotic League of Uganda General Muzikirogaba ezakozire ahindwiremu omubembezi wa PLU okukira munonga entebe y'abantu b'inyumba manya iyo muhandiki umukuru beyaho Honorable David Kabanda bataho umwami Fadil Honorable Fadil kunka nanakachiko kakuru aka Central Committee mwenu nkominaremu yakubera inkaseke akaomba kita simple Central Committee nako membership yako yahindukamu nangu hakubanzaho General Kinogaba kabanza tuhereza amazina make ijayongeraho agandi kunka David Kabanda bamurekeraho akakikwako kunka hari abantu abatari akakikwako kunka ina abantu abine namba zabo periodic officer nambete abo inkintu wenda kwicumentereza kureba okuhindurwa embezi bwa PLU winchumanyisaki ebire PLU abantu batanikire bakuzanisa eherize yaba an important actor and factor on politics zitu na munonga omwanya gukuronda speaker n'umuhwezo nibwo twarebere PLU yaba center and central mu nshongeje so ntenda kumanya going forward omunchureji itarmu kubyamu kundi itarmu kwata kubisente zo mu mshoro PLU neza kuba nekoraki agama negihaye nkuko horangu organization ya hindra top leadership na munonga umwemezi omukuru PLU ekaguma as important as influential so nicho turaganira hekireki nina omukuru tunawe John n'omuntu wa NRM naraga busongora umucyange cyarwe nzori nina omukuru pore katuye karamuzi nwari kwembera PLU abwa ankore sub region kandi nyino mwami amonenda barema narago PFF John abantu baterenda musyo abataho program yitekireki
nimbatangira program mbaramucha kandi mbeleza okutorora kurungi no kuliriza kurungi
commissioner twakwakira
hano rushugu nyakira bakamwe n'abagero batureba nko kirambanze na colleagues umwana wanje rebarema hamwe na comrade John tunawe ni Boaz dene nyakira abantu mwena kukira munonga PLU warriors foot soldiers Central Committee members as leaders in PLU n'abakira kandi mu kizeje ebituragambe biri so important mwabari munonga
amane ni abantu bakoreho just kache
abunye no studio n'abaturikiriza n'abakutureba musibire kurungi esgoma amanero barema enzaro ya karamana ngoma kabura town council Wambara district umuhazizi kandi umwembezo mu kibina cya People's Front for Freedom mana moderator n'ukiresha stara hamura mu production mbasa kukigambaho ihangarirwe rigwerirwa kagwe koze bire question mpango y'umwana wa BSU action amateka kuza kukorerezo omuntu omukoti ukahindura nibo bire inyama yabahiji so hata amateka ga Uganda gahindukira no mutakumanya hatu no mwana yaje tinza kushoma nkeberagira nazo ibitukuru mu Uganda biriyo ningati biriyo ni twara kushasha na family ya PFF na family yo Moroderi yaso kwago in particular because abamagaraje atari maronje munonga na ninjero yakwatirwemo actually omwagiresere na ndeba hati bakutugaruza history bakutwereke byenyuma in the same regard wazo biro to one posting rero no rankanta kuchira gamba PLU ino gore wagira tankomuramwa the high esteem respect embere nkwa obagire kutware papara kabitina kakoze so muhando gundi na yekangire mu muyanga tinkumanya oba nitugaruka mu dark days oba nituzomisha
yabara mun nyana kutandukanye we poli
so natangana poli with introduction talo hebso kutereza bo baragamba so
ija bicuba niki
of course ija bicuba kandi kikomanywa omukuru Elias Bukwago takwasirwe nga lawyer takwasirwe ngo kuba lawyer wa Dr. Kiza Besigye okuba Kiza Besigye umusango bwa bene gutandika bakatugira ngo yine team ya lawyer 50 talo homu muri yabo ngo bakwasirwe owakubakurra no Martha Karua government ya Uganda ni ya muhire temporary practicing certificate practicing ngira hano barali mu Kenya takakwasirwe Rukwago akwasirwe yacyajinga umusango omubugufu kugira ngo kubobonye information ngo hariho umuntu wakujya gukora treason nawe kuri yamihangari orukwe ukabura ku reporting umuntu how is that connected Rukwago no byakubire asomere agriculture konka ni cyabana kigambo ngo ebyarinde mu bikorwa Dr. Kiza Besigye tukumanya nka Godfather kandi founder wa PFF uwe all acting chairman nasa nko yakumanyaho history eyo kumanya bamkwatire Kenya na group y'abantu kwatira bakasutana mukaga obukirandi kigambo ngo omu murubo kanso Elias Bukwago kandi yeiza no waraba umurumo gugunde no loya ekyo tukisoko mutanga kukwatwa kandi kukwatwa kwe then tusokuba kugira ngo nukutinisa ba lawyer abo kuba resigine ba lawyer 50 kandi bona tubakwasira
then ahi abandize ataka kikira kuri to mukoti aho ho naho tine shonga
tanahora
ahi Rukwago yabandize the whole of Monday the whole of Tuesday aho ho tumwe shonga naho
Rukwago
ebishani byembera
Rukwago takarigire kutugambira ahaberari tinga huliro muntu yes Rukwago wait a moment yesterday Rukwago abari mukoti
hata bagambira
watugambire ati nyombendi ito tumanya ngo
hata bagambira arahi
yabe byokwirinda kandi umukono yabe byokwirinda talo sayini yona tali information yona na yesterday bambagezaho nangwa kuserera beyu eyibolekere ngwara bisibwe mu mulingo mu byo bagambire gwa meda second obude record umuyanga mu agizire ngo bakakogure so bikumulisa posho nebihimba mukanda wa healthye a specialized and for us that for me that's understandable but there is no case of torture there is absolutely nothing
then tweets zomudumuzo mukuru w'amahe
tweets
eza sibestambara mande nebishani what do you make of those
Uganda twine esimu milioni 23
kuyamba no sigana
aha esimu 23 esimu ziri connected a internet tuzikurenga milioni 15 kugira ngo mu Uganda wena hali hatwite bya tweet no so kusobora tweet yabereho cyane Rukwago yahandikire tweet yagire byasobora because to the best of my knowledge Rukwago alesura mukoti within 48 hours akakwatwa Monday morning yaletwa Wednesday morning akakwatwa security yihanga atarakwasirwe ba vigilante natarakwasirwe abasungu ba Tanzania yaletwa mukoti bamucharginga formally bamuremandinga talo umuntu waratubweza mu meteka mutaka
akakwatwa shitongwe
Uganda security services they are very many can burugumo
under the law now it is only the police that should arrest
under the law every security agency including a civilian has a duty to arrest including myself including you kubo sango umuntu aliona naenda kurepinga akana ke miaka mukaga tosoko basigaho aho tukanje ha police nyeto police you can also cause arrest ishueringu no bajiro mukoti he was given the shortest period possible remand ebiro bibiri today na tomorrow abako banyinche cya mukaga no weekend Monday nibamugaru mukoti na kubo bono gira ngo halo unfairness on process ejo yona really nibata kutegereza
so amone tabarakwasero yawa Besigye bakakwata
no clarification
but I think the
John yatakutumanya ombyafayo
commission iza kukachansi
John yatakutumanya ombyafayo Rukwago has been next to Karua then we have a problem he has won the case
but Karua
okay commission inishwa ndagamba
yawekera bagenda gamba munywana wanje Boaz I think okwijaha ebyarkwaga byakutari mu namagori
true
but it's a trending event
n'ikindi cya kabiri Rukwago is a Ugandan waba Ugandan na rwabo roya timaze tukwasa kora mushango. What we should wait n'ikintu kimwe kategereze ko tekera asharemo.
Okay.
Kugira ngo twagwe no mushango naritagwine.
Thank you.
But this argument says I'm not going to be bende.
Niza Boaz wenyine.
I may call them. But what I'm telling you, issues za rukwagwa ziriyo mukoti kati zireke tegereze kujya kujyo mwishaho.
Yebare commissioner kwereka John yahita kubiha muri nyina leta ngutshigambe ni wajya
ni wajya kwasire kawo wambarara district akwasure police yebare civilian
yes
just recommend yebare mnu John reka mvara bwarayizinga inshonga batika tuzacyaturete
yes
ebyo turabiga mu bundi maybe turija gamba ruvuro on another day
exactly
commissioner Pori so General Kinuga bahindurira mbembezi ba PRU umuntu yakubana kwitegereza abenahindura ki abenahindura ba exactly
yabare munonga munywano wanje moderator on a special note inchereza mbaze ntwara mu gishogu baze sim na my chairman my next president my supreme leader General MK
bien ebyo biryari
and the chairman of PRU and the founder of PRU
chairman
and the son of the revolution
chairman next president
Ayatora
supreme okay supreme leader umzam bano mtabarusi
yes and the son of the Sebarwanyi by the way so I'm congratulating our good leadership of PRU and remember is the founder of the PRU konkataka jiroko kama nsime abantu mwena kila mnonga wa PRU abatandikire PRU foot soldiers warriors no formerly tkatenza kweta nguni groups that when MKM team chairman AZAM movement atke twakora transition to AZAM PRU so ngenda kusima abantu abatandikire bwiro kandi abakiriya maramwa na muranga wa PRU because PRU we have our objectives. Tinebigedero habo itakora PRU. And I think to me this team that is General ARS Bakaza Central Committee I can see niyo team erashiriza objectives wa PRU. Ekindi kya kabiri ngenda congratulating all appointed Central Committee members. They are not even sick, but we call them Central Committee members. Central Committee members. Ngenda kutwara musho ngwaratinga general aboko kwa appointinga abantu bona ababaze kwa appointinga so far they are now 16 members
ikumna
mkaga general no ikumna mkaga they are now 16 members as we talk now we have the chairman who is the general MK we have the national vice chairman who is Michael Toyota and Wajira Kabuta we have the general secretary my best friend Honorable Fadil Twar is a man from Sebei. Sebei, Kapchuru Koko Niakorgo. We have the vice chairperson by PRU, or Western Mambaramu. We have Honorable Franka Tumwesigye. We have Honorable Churiwachiwanka. We have the Speaker of Parliament and the Speaker of Parliament, and the name of them. What the General has done, actually, Umkurisha Faringa Central Committee members, he appointed the new members. Again, you are retaining a number of them because now, actually, I think you are unhappy. Our General Secretary, you are replacing Honorable David Kabanda, Amona Honorable Fadil. Yaka ya replacing Honorable Gashumba, Yamta Honorable
Chiriwachwanuka,
ya in charge of Uganda. Wetegereza konka abandi bona bagumuna mu position zabo kureka there are some SEC members nkababirubonga abatakagambiriho ubona zaka bari retaininga but they are still working basar zarari hamwe na hona bari na ber
kana
baramugo of course kama appointinga kare kamuri retaininga
so hataka chikwa kwa Central Committee
yes
na customer Which, how regular does it sit?
Ka Central Committee, Nkashtama when there is issue to discuss, the general chairman no time. You can say we can sit maybe more than 2 times a week. Baka central committee bakashtama upetulum karuru. Obutu saramu kukora na pamoja na ina remu they start in mbari. Bakakora chikoro barakaru mbari.
So hatumanichi mukuru wa PLU nana akwara executive.
Umwandishi mkuru wa PLU
wamujajana sana na wa NRM
umwandishi mkuru wa PLU ogonaba are responsible na secretariat
ekitebe kikuru
ekitebe kikuru kya PLU kirina guru agaruto road wanda kumanyichiri chine buri kimwe cyona chine offices inchikora from Monday up to Friday. So that means secretary ya PLU ne full time. So the general secretary ntibaje mayisa ni zakaba na wari burizo.
So hariho umuntu gwa PLU oguru kwatari Uganda gutari gwa muhozi nari kashoto burukura PLU nuhurra numugambari chairman. What is PLU about?
Let me ask you one thing. Atu wano gamba ina mu Uganda who is the founder of NRM?
General Museveni.
Atu no wano gamba ina no basakura gamba President Museveni. So General MK is the founder and what like the PLU and is the chairman.
So no mukamai.
We still no founder wa iro mukamwa no chairman wa.
Andi mukakwata bando PLU mwabahereze namba PO number what?
Patriotic officers. Actually, I'm General MK akampereza namba am patriotic officer 037.
Now hati patriotic officers abo PLU ninka directors ninka shareholders.
No, ekikwenda kugamba they are no shareholders. Eze namba akazihereza kuri organizing contribution y'abantu abari mu struggle ya PLU. Amane na base ka seniority y'abantu abarumu. Yes.
Hatabo abo bakahirwa batunge namba abandi bari yakachiko ka central committee.
Yes.
Hatabo kora sabanyi abo abandi ababutosho muhanga mwine register yabo mukumamenyera omuntu akahura atakurira ngo
nyenda kugambira na kugambira PLU secretariat ne kora from Monday up to Friday. Na baro bakweta director of mobilization honorable mabanda na baro secretary general bene secretaries bene nabandi bene offices. So register ya PLU as secretariat ruhizwire.
So hate umuntu yabari yo PLU MP na minister akoraga na PLU royo retenari nana yorobera side because communication ito ari rukubanza bakweta members ba PLU na mnonga ba minister bamwe ngo babe bariho a handover wa kashatu yesterday. Ba minister bari cyankwanzi nango mu ba minister honorable Rufa Cheng akatweeting yagera ngo bari cyankwanzi a national duty. Ahibine commander in chief. So hati ukoro bokwa mana umuntu nakutanka abantu kamwashoto mwabaretera batandama.
No, munyana wanje oise we have members of parliament abareba PLU. We have the cabinet ministers abareba PLU. What the general said akagira bana bahading over let the members of parliament aba PLU and the minister. I can even give you some names of the ministers.
Okay.
Baramu is a cabinet minister. What are Franka Tumwesigye Chiriwa Chiwanuka Diri Yanabir is a minister. Cheng is a minister. Was sports Ogwang. Nabandi, they are very many. They are 23 ministers. Actually, they are more than even 23. Because now Jibu Mwezi is our person. General Tumukunde is ours. Nakugambro Nobatumawu is a member. Speaker of Parliament, and this because Parliament, of course, on the speakers are endorsed by the General MK.
So, yes. On the calendar, and Kazakwachirabanda Baganizi, Abakutureva, Omirabo Mission Zakutunga, report Korogachkube, Bamatera Karuru, so Mirabo Mission Zakwachiraho, Omontuitari Chukuba to Gamberi into Kugenda. But for now, company anyway, Paul.
Yes.
So, Omu politics, some members of Tosha initiate a deep state.
Yes.
Government data Kurebo. Pero you to get a deep state.
Now, I want you to go back
behind the scenes.
Whatever Karuru. Why do you think NRM kadukestinga PLU ngutkoreba kweta tukopa moja?
Koreham.
Why do you think they requested us? They requested the chairman of the PLU. Kuja NRM na PLU bakwata koreki. That means NRM government ekani ereba ngu PLU eri very strong mu ihangom. nicho warebere bateza that recognition tukakora tuko pamoja and we work together and finally project ile migandom. It was efforts za PRU za mobilizers za PRU kwata sana ina remu tukadelivery.
Thank you.
Okay, wana mkologo pakora kai as secretary ya ina remu and it was general secretary of the PRU and the general secretary wa ina remu nuba kwa tuko pamoja.
Thank you.
Yes.
John PRU yani basakore byona then ina remu hati ntwende yashi. Why can't PRU officially replace NRM chetu kama mchao? This competition for flag bearership, competition for competition wale vile tuti ya cheng
nijira ngalo competition. You see me, I don't follow so much social media. Dicha thing nijira competition halo
akajira bakamweta handover
Boaz. General Chenge kwa twipingire nababara mbagamba omukoro back postponinga bakutebra abana
ministers abera satu bari chinkwanza kandi tweet ya General MK evene ragira ba ministers bona ba PRU abera na basatu na ba MPs basatu nkaga aba PRU
ko barahando
kubaro kandi hata ba ministers tobaro yes aba MP basokuzoka the 360 okuba on parliament haba MPs bitano bisatu nkaga na ba PRU so bene kuba
ato mugashoganere muno guhati
kandi umugaso oshobora kubuza umugaso gwa PRU gukagura guha umugaso gwa PRU gukagura kuyambaho NRM so atito NRM ito katsumirire iwo kubogo yawe ninte zawe no yesera no lisa wenka wanyese mutabano wawe umutabano agira tumuzei kino cyumire kankami nuguse otomugaso banje kandi barayi kuchikaenda burizo ningiza kanengira ngo mutabano wako bagira tumuzei kiro cyuni nyonda atwara ebitoke kurugaro wampara ninyonda atwara noteri mungaro direto ke nanyese iyo analiso bora uri nkunguzi konka watari nkunguzi waro mutabano wawe yatandika kugira ati muzei atuburi kiri tukarora hano munywani witu kana wakali wa piro mutabano wale tusudire ubira bukaka yagira tumuzei let me handle mugira tumura tubini president na agambira Jeno Moses alata ile mutabano wawe kabe minister iwe beka kuyamba umuntu wewe gukunyesa
nakata baka omukinga kareta mutabani
umuntu kana muto sana kubuza NRM tungira ukutuyamba hat kandi iki semiri ko bantu competinga na semiri ko bantu we embrace them, we welcome them, and we thank them. Let me tell you, for the last 25 years kuruga ingumi biro na gumu tukageraga post election calmness ngayitugizire mu karukana
forced
no post election
obusinge mugemere
no obusinge ubu buresere PRU
obusinge tuburi spontaneous
obutuburesere kandi buguru forced kabare mwa abantu babe hano besije na leta byo kugarakasa nace na abantu opposition bakanu bitakuba Kampala bakanu baburahamu hon emyete yabere bukora ategire mpiro iri structure za PRU umwana ujya kumva PRU umugambire ngo yice mpira amahana akaruro kwa bwini yitera bari mutskapanga ibintu byatulema umukaruro kahwiraka twapanga ngo abantu nkaga na basatu buri cyaro etali PRU bitubite so kutunga 71% twendi gihe abantu nkaga na basatu buri cyaro times 72000 tibantu milioni 13 ne mituharo cyenda tukatungenga
mbosha tabonye ndakuye secretariat ya NRM
kandi biraho cyane secretariat kandi tukumangwe registered on electoral commission ni secretariat ati iwe rero gira ngo mutabano wawe obwaramanya kwesera no kulisa akwite is that your reason so kwita pate yitwa kwa mituzi konga no mwana wetu kugira ngo anyesere NRM zere PRU kandi PRU yaireka mu cyokobanza ene capacity yukoraninga afya zihanga ene capacity yukora mobilization ene capacity yukurwanisha busumankuzi ene capacity yukugira ngo kujya kutina umuntu muriso ori muhango rumukene so kugira ngo banzo imere na rya rubaju why should we fight them for people
chairman wa civil society organization bakweta PLO na omu other capacity no mudumuzome omuhirake okay kati mutwaro mu civil society
other capacity that mudomizo wambaye other capacity ni senior presidential advisor on special operations.
Exactly.
Who determines those special operations? It is only the president.
Okay. In that capacity still akwasire namba ya kashatu speaker parliament yakwata namba ya gatanu deputy speaker yabataka chikoke and I told chief
go to by also
no
let me ask you
no let me finish my question
Reverend I understood your question I understood you
no you haven't
yata kaburiza niyo understanding
ekibuzo kimwe tubiri okwa pointing abantu ordinarily abakwebara bakamabi but two kuharo kikugira ngo attendance is a must. Hata how question ya checks and balances
order presidency yino gamba kubamba ndi minister nontanga kuba umukuru w'abakristayo mukanisani
no
so kubamba ndi umukuru w'abakristayo
ari kuba chairman wa board of governors
nari board of governors wisomero hati board of governors wisomero lyantare ubwira hano twatwine MP umuhira kina namba 17 akali board of governors wantare honorable Dr. Bitekerezo kunka kandi ubuyabe nawe agira report yakora nko wakuri nanki somero agisindikira DEO hati MP na DEO wakushirano so nyobu ndari president ubundaji wa bishop ntahurebya kugamba simply because umuhira kini mchera. What is it? I want to understand your question, either phrase it properly. Because Eiraka na civil society organization na my right to associate with whoever. So olio no manisa ngomuntu hati speaker na vice president na deputy speaker barijo menarimu inarimu na ibembero secretary general ungo kuyagambera order of presidents bali hands tuko ki so speaker na namba akasatu so speaker movement arjem nalisi secretary general tarhandike barhayona on party matters aliona yeta speaker na vice president talibet is that your argument
obuzare bwa PLU chairman na CDF how do you draw
PLU chairman na kugira ngo chairman wa PLU apart from kuba civil society organization ibe mukugamba civil society organization ebigenderwa byayo ebingi muno halumye chukutara bwo bembezi ebigenderwa nora hanu tumkuchura kusoma history amina
bahaba takusoma
amina bebera ja kambo gota
tayari western ya shoma history
amina bebera ja kambo gota akaye saundi 17
namu
nanka hanu nanka ine saundi 17 ebigenderwa byazo PLU kubo busoma kongo mulebye kubo busoma byona halimu ekintu kigira ngo sembiri kuterezi yange isange zo kutereza harubaju kubo banonda to mop and clean your house can you clean it when you are outside and it is locked you cannot you have to open it enter and then move
so chairman wa PLU John Kinogaba aizirengu honorable both speaker of parliament na honorable Thomas Tayebo ni envoy izwe on parliament hati on parliament mabariyo nka envoy kukora exactly
envoy ni kumuntu ubabuzi wawe akwatirine nibyo kuba president agera tarakana rugunda new special envoy wanje akwatirine na South Sudan nana manisa ni South Sudan imbantalifu so ebaraba guku bimanyise on parliament ni abantu banje bisatunkaga tinkusibayo timine office konka nani mbasawa ngu nyaburi eberafayo guku mumanyise bikufum parliament
mu ntatere
no bikufum batkam gambire bikufum parliament
abembeza parliament
bikufum parliament
abantu baspying on the very institution
spying mumanyise bazo gambire
institution
no matter what abantu benji I'm not talking about spying and is not talking about spying let me tell you no matter what abantu benji bali mo garko parliament abinji ni okulemwa okukora mirumo yabo habukweto mabanza gatakiri
so
kuba muhoza agira ati abantu bitu hapa katutakwenda ngo bagarike kubwa 2031 imwe abebembezi babo. What is the problem? Problem number 1 tubagariko mu constituency. Hata wakweta meeting ya payroll najira tukandika banga mbiro mu parliament huku ngo tumugariko mu constituency zanyu tumukora abantu president abazira tumugari cyamiruka musere parish chief mukore meeting omwihanga ryo mbone rugendo rwashande no wakikozere ahandikire barana yita ba parish chief bona abantu mulai hata ubwo murimo obo naba yabagaye kaningira ngo nayamba bano mubamuyamba kuko babanu ihigere bakubembere rurimo abantu besatungaga echo kitakweba
so hati
ihigere yakubembera
both na Thomas Tayo bakora report bahereze muhozi bakumutererisimu. What are they going to do?
They will arrange that. It is not for public scrutiny. It is for agent kurujira modus operandi ya PRU nibaja kumanya how to communicate. Maba bakozesa radio call manya bakozesa WhatsApp tibiri ya amoni manya bayeta ngana basanga ngana hakota isano go ukatira takiziri buri
nyana chiramoni
ureke bazega
true
changes ezikozerwe ningira ngo.
Can we come back to them later?
Yeah, okay.
Yabone munonga ati wano buze
kibuzo. You talk about the changes later.
Ba envoy zaba mazakora ki otakagira kibuzo iki. Let's first look at the core objectives of the PRU. Ekyo kubanza na patriotism, corruption, transparency and accountability, effective service delivery. Actually let's nangoterera bintebi. So yana kugira ngo na envoy bo parliament no kureba ngo ba speaker zaba deputy speaker of parliament and deputy speaker of parliament and of course they are members of the central committee. Ikindi cha kabiri one ishikaje the first person to endorse the speaker was regional MK and the first person to endorse actually the deputy speaker was MK. Waketegereza so abantu no kureba ngo core values no objective za pure za ikindi cyo kiyagamba ikikwenda kukamza abantu bayana batureba ugujyo ya kigamba ntwende wa president wa gino
so
mzee kwa ara
muhoziana addressing our both namjad namweta right honorable
namweta Mr. Parliament namweta no kumta sote na jumutera because the speak
no ataka just briefly atakabiri manje speaker
natabira jumutera
Jacob boss
our defense minister yes
akakora mukoro turu
yes
he was went there
yes
he came in uniform he saluted the man. Okay. And he went there as the chief guest. But he saluted the man.
The former speaker of parliament, akari speaker of parliament, yakora mkono ukedi, yatagene mke komgenye mkuru, gene mke yazai. Ukarira na yashira akampereza you.
Ejenenso nga yabutosha abantu mushemerirwe mwamye igamba. Mwiga yo mbujeji. We are okwanga nkana kureba amazima. PRU is a force to reckon with going forward.
If anything, what is PRU?
Patriotic League of Uganda. A civil society organization anchored on kurwanisa corruption no kushomesa abantu okundi hanga.
Hati
service delivery.
Mukama wanje Boaz n'abaturikiriza rumyono wanje Derikari arugando
ichikoncha FDC
ichikoncha cha PFF not
FPF yakahindukati
kandi ajya unatureba nangwa n'abandi bari yo kwa hero abuntaragamba mazena bona beni hanga kuri kuza kufa ezo nazo ni indicators zo kufa kwihana
sibanza karwara yari fayara ukarita
umwa mufigitingana mpunda mije one twinihanga abaturikiriza bakutureba n'abaturikiriza
gwihangana ufata kufakara kirona ati wabwambere kanire
maybe turekamo naganda
abaturikiriza n'abakutureba any failed state nekozesa community nankana government organizations kibanizo yayebembeza mwe bari NRM kutureka ngo muremirwe mwareta community based organization nashi a civil society organization NGO called PRU because it's in kakasa was register za nankamu gazette tari MP no mo wa PRU you either be an independent, or you are NRM, or you are FDC, or you are PFF, or you are anti, n'abandi abarabira. So mwebale NRM kudisa abanya-Uganda mukabereka ngo ine cyumwine mukiko umuhanda mukacanagaho. I'm disappointed with Joe no waze unaenda guma main. Hati main ndari yakugera bara makutandika kuleto kwinyuma.
Nukoya dizere.
Kunga John everybody bikungundisa John by the way at a personal level no kulemera main. Hati main ndana we atarika kujiruka macho baba kubya bi 16 ngumai. Is a topic for another day. One. Twagira muturiyo tukurwanisa corruption. Bwana moderator n'abakutureba n'abaturikirize wakwata budget allocations za top leadership ya parliament, kakwata speaker, kakwata deputy speaker, kakwata leader of opposition, kakwata clerk to parliament, kakwata and other locations. Nicho bisasa washanga speaker wihanga in allocation ya 28 billion. Omu 28 billion basebo nabanyaba turikirize twineme byoko yaranashi beddings, twinemu footwear na clothings za milioni igananisha.
Nebyo byenaka kwate no muramo gutandukamba.
Kandi no urwanisa corruption ni oyebembize corrupt leaders.
For information and sentence
Aro statutory allocation.
Exactly.
No,
actually
patriotic. He's raising what and by the he's raising a very fundamental.
Exactly, yes.
But the issue should be 24. Actually, it is 28 and 24 billion on the official speak. The issue is why we that money. Na Jacob Bosa he is here. Omukoro gwa Thanksgiving makerere omumakaga prime minister nabanja ajizirati I don't need the 24 billion.
Exactly, yes.
Allocated to my office. We came as patriots. Esente zimu zigaricho mbukiko zije kuri mu bukiko. So this budget he is inherited from AAA.
You see,
FDC.
Triple N wage him with because
you see bwana Boaz abanyankore binefumi yabo nungi onkima bari satu mukujimanya itoba hingi bebitoke nito tukujimanya
ekikore beta koraba etali
bagamba bakutondora baba bakutondora ebitoke tibyo bagamba bakunyuka kandi tibyo bagamba bakuta because tikwetaga kwezi kwena tikwetaga mwaka kwena abaturikize n'abakutureba kugira ngo Jacob Boso both who was implicated mabati ga Karamoja 300 iron sheets kwemera kajya ngo ndaguru nakurwena kushara ku discussing ngo kuyamchi ezo allocations at times ekimbire najya ngo why would reserve my respect omwe kwa biragamba ati niza kule cyekiko kungate nawe no bicere kikweza kikarenga ki emigoro
but remember unyeriko na gamba
mugamba na
Parliament of Uganda tikakozere ukiko tubukabiriho ikindi cyakabe esentezi zyo financial year y'ekubira na mushanju kubira na munana financial year tarika kibanza ko kubanza Parliament ya Uganda tikazire ukiko but the man akamerera yagira ngo esentezo takuzetaga nada kustomba ukiko abakiko kuzaro
katirobo abogamba na ina mbasa kwitasetinga konkana nyenda na nyendo gambe byawo ezo discussion nezimwe hata bamwe tukazirgamu zo kugira ngo guyagambo banzo kigarkemo now wabo kwemero kareba ngo ezesha turiyo tukudiscussinga CBO ananka civil society organizations titaba birete habari mu constitutional rights leta baba nanko mu constitutional whatever programs urete banikora sopio we discuss all these things
topic njuhire nyamazi
iyo no boro jimpiri ura no boro jimpiri
why did you come
ura no boro jimpiri
commissioner
my message
commissioner let me deal with him commissioner I can deal with topic njuhire amwe turiyo ntugamba ha organization eye bikorwa byayo big feeding into the national discussion, policies, practice, and so many things. It is not worth discussing.
Well, how do you discuss a community-based organization? If
A kind of singer speaker and deputy speaker.
As in what? You look for a gazette. Show me any pro candidate.
So, peer review any impact?
I mean, look for the gazette. Ni mangu nojibona. Natuwaza nitu nojibona. Show me anyone peer review candidate that went through.
So, peer review any impact?
Not even what's the discussion. Thank you.
You can was any chin. Obramano, I want to why are you here?
So ekyokubanza buli murwani eine level y'orutaroro rwa kurwana kandi akakaho okatahundi nihe ryitwere ryaberere NRA rikashibwira iryaba NRM uduce ngo mu discussion ya constituency assembly abenje bakabenzere kugenda na Uganda Armed Forces including kana Dr. Kiza Besigye omuntu we yangira kandi no mayombo yagera tanangu
kiteye kigambo peoples
tatali kigambo peoples that we are tired with armed
that are not accountable.
We need something. We need a national army that is accountable to Ugandans. So yihe nuso kurwana rakaha rakalemu hakidirine rakarachi. So ababeba loho bine bakozire kandi birungi haiza na abana na President Museveni abatandikira nabo tubu yakozire ki tubona hata kine ningira ngo kongeramo abandi na amana muhyaka. It is very important. Abantu abandi aloha bakugamba ngo abakazi biyongeremo general muntu akuliriza na abandi bakazi mu central committee ningira ngo bajya kuyongera. It is really, it is healthy and necessary. Ohireho nyowe nko muntu, this is my own opinion, nitekereza ngo secretariat pole nko kushobora mirumo yayo yesemiri korani ngo muntu atari bize mu ati Twala Fadil, member of parliament wa Tinjei county mu Kapchoro. He's a very young man, but politics na byetegereza ko ugichunga kabanza kuba chairman wa C5 wa Kapchoro atakabiri deputy. He was chairman wa C5. Hati umuntu oine parliament Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday ino buchiko Monday na Friday okamuha secretariat eje ine mirumo mingi muno ine demands nyingi muno ine bintu bingi muno
so na period ine mirumo mingi
a lot is much busier than so many other offices designer mwaka ruti kwa jai yugo tukala
ati
it's not going to be open until 2030
ati mwe na gurumwa mukoresha
it is not going to be open until 2030 it is a civil society organization bakugambira you ni mawu nyencha tokora you go there umbuya nubicha orulebo nubaje kwaniriza kurungi muno bakugambira
actually today
you go there
today when Mawanda had 8 meetings today
so
meeting delegations from different areas
then changes ezinde zwana ogambaho honorable Kabanda uwenyina ta akara sabireho ngo naenda kumora ngo aloha abantu abakumutata of course honorable Kabanda tabiri kanu bingo habo secretary general kanu maintaining nitekereza ngo gashumba ningeje nawe ne byakozere but you see PLU neyenda abantu abali
but even yesterday akintu cyakashuma mu milioni yesterday nyuma chairman wa PLU general MK atwiting ere yagera mukashumba na manya kandi baza kubwabugana abaganire
abantu babiro bagamba yes I understand
but I'm saying one is protected
I am saying of course akagera umuntu wabo leadership level ya that stature bintu bisemiri kwerinda nukuba some sort of political commentator on almost everything and ngira ngo kigireho gasumba bizibu necho abena gamba na especially na video y'imeri nkuru yagire abena gamba mbabimendaga muntu yagira ngo mbasokutandike mu 23 nachi you see you don't do that when you are a leader omusinde kibiri kuba checking abandi ba leaders, you may not be able to also check your junior kandi niwe kusako wakugamba naho bayangire muganga. He made a lot of contradictory statements.
True.
Yakanga kubleming ole nogu batandika kugira ngo no committee bakatahayo bino gadgets bo kurukodinga.
And it was not necessary.
You don't say that. You don't say that. If they actually did it, nintekereza ngo it is very fair. Muganga batagarukana kuma. I love muganga personally. He's highly intelligent. Konka kugira ngo no so kujyo meeting kujya kuvetinga na gadgets zo kurukodinga as if.
Why was he suspicious of the committee?
Kando kardo no, even if you are suspicious. Kurdoka kugambira ni hango kubiga we.
That is supposed to be private.
Abantu abatutekereza kandi ngo betegereza mu na that level nabo batumazire mu na.
Maybe he was.
So for me changes atari zindi, of course abantu abandi abalumu bamendenijirwe Karugire Mwenda and the others njanga abonjirwe mu kanso kasiringi na Alan Kasuja na Kwame Rugunda. Those ones are okay. Now for my friend Amon
honorable Chiwanka
Amon
Tumwebaze
Amon nakunde ebintu bya kare ebya kare mpaka za kare za nakunisa abo ko bariyare with all honesty 2001 ningira ngo tukatari mu political parties konki twena tukimanya ngo hakalo reform agenda kandi mu gazeti naye katari.
But we are not in a political party dispensation.
Gazeti katakora my friend, gazeti tekora ka political parties dispensation yonka. The national gazette is not for political parties. Unless we're talking about something different.
No, you just
was reform agenda. It was reform agenda. Gazeti.
Katubuze Amoni DP eminyeto yao bakabajeta UID. Oshanga bana na mununga bana ba university bari yo mu UID Uganda Young Democrats. Are you saying ngo effort ekeri ni futility?
You see, the political parties, NRM in a youth wing, in a poor youth, in a women's league, in a mainstream, like any other political party. If this is cut in a leader teams, so UID, Yokubuza as an example, was a friendly force under the Democratic Party.
Good.
But and they subscribed to the Democratic Party.
Konka eketari youth league nke ainaremu eyokushanga ngo nemanywa no mupate constitution ni bakabatera karuru beine budget beine activities.
You see, there are two things. There are two things John is trying to mix now. One, the reform agenda yari yakugamba ya 201 ekabiri individual under individual merit 2034 5 to AZAM merit party dispensation. It is categorically wrong kureka yaba kuchenda kutiko nkana kuchimanya ngo under political party dispensation you abandon a political party less than even before you even
2001 abasingire bakaba gazetted. Were they gazetted as members of the reform agenda? What is his argument?
Omurumo gwa political party
very different things.
Omurumo gwa political party gwono nuko Rwanda kutwara bwembezi kandi yabo tuyiri ekabusigaza. Nkabi ndeka yo PFF numwenda kutwara bwembezi. But now allow me. But now
with one MP
hariho civil society organization bageta PLU bakugira ngo ikigendere w'icyangu ni chairman wabo kuja kutwara bwembezi imwe nkamu kabe mu struggling ni mu mutwara bwembezi or dismissing group eyine MPs eyine ba minister Chaka reperu kwa twarwe yezi so agarko kashango lime position they are growing when you are watching the event.
Excuse me bwana Boaz or in our iPad go to the gazette ungambire MP zabo kungambira
hasi gazeti omukatuliki omugazeti omukatuliki
let's be liberal Boaz got to be liberal we are necessary to check and commission members of parliament are sinjira we are gazetted
right
No, the members of parliament went through.
Amoni ekirungi.
Were they gazetted?
Amoni ekirungi twena turi abantu bakuru. No manyangu MPs abari independent. Baiko mu parliament mbakora MOU na NRM.
No,
are you saying nko zo mu gazeti oshanga mu MP or independent bamwongire hongo ayine MOU na NRM
atkawa burekire.
These are political formations. Echimajeta group politics.
Bwana moderator,
no dismissing of politics.
Be a good teacher. Omusomeso mulungi yaba kumakinga omutabane ningo omuhara ekitire nakitsi ekigwira kiraki nubu yakwebuzabuza kabona hari amayere bonus konke ekigwira nakiraki
nakigwisa.
So are you also part of the people or the team refusing ngu purute ine candidate uyasimbira mu karuru?
No, that is okay.
Last parliament shadow attorney general abeirali abeirali Wilfred Nwagawa parties zine zibe ziri mu parliament as opposition teine mu kadi yaye mutwire omugazeta no mu independent parliament abeira opposition yona parties zona opposition members 19 bakagera ngwito go independent nawe ni wetu omugazeti no gorane so independent ito to amuho shadow attorney general. So for me I don't know what is
gazetting about the bush.
John amani nyanda kubuza what is missing appeal yungu teine impact teine MPs no bochiri yo mu race yo kwenda obwebembezi. Can people take you seriously?
You see, actually most people are the good candidates for the prisoners, but bachatambiwa authoritarian part of the government of the regime.
But
listen. Tokubasa kubiri yo mu government. Wajiro wanyu rwampara ninga kenshunga ninga kiruro kesi. Abantu bakakuha karuru ahakadi ya NRM. Ninga bakakuha karuru ahakadi ya nupu. Ninga bakakuha karuru ahakadi ya independent. And the following day you declare a different part, a different civil society organization.
I want to inform this old person of
old man of the Quran.
Yes, old man of the Mwana wanje kama ze kushobora. PRU is not a political party.
Good.
PRU is a civil organization. Aims and objectives.
And fully registered.
And fully registered as a non-government organization and a civic organization. Konka ebigendererwa byayo.
Including echangu chenchizo meshi. By members of parliament, a number of them nabakunda PRU awebigendererwa byayo. And they are members. Waketegereza? Wale nakakasa ngu PRU ine members of parliament. Mwana wange nakweshengeza wanu kutwari ebirabira biroza secretary ya PRU wale members of parliament abareje bakurahira kwa akwadi ngova kwa geno secretary.
And that brings me to back to statement.
The commissioner Mare then will come. Commissioner Kamare then will come.
Ekindi kongera yeke cha mwana byagamba byone mangena agenda tabango CBO mabi ekikwenda kuija kugamba kwamza PRU is very established. In the membership y'abantu benye okurengana ngani mutara 20 for information. So one was okanda mining ekibineke ekyo ekiri for established mu Uganda yona ekine members mu Buruburu district na Bursero tubitine members betu imata mu cyo kuteka.
Amon come.
Abana jina mtakwenda mgambo.
Allow him.
That brings me to a statement.
Amon, you are my guest gambo.
Well, that brings me to a statement.
Hakurga mu district ya Rwampara.
Allow him.
Tiri nangana members.
Allow him. Commissioner, that's different.
What I mean,
Commissioner, that's different. How many are now?
If the government has failed,
how many members
run to the
how many members do you have in Rwanda?
Commissioner,
if the government
allow him.
Obutuabire to insurgency ya northern hakariza NGOs World Vision research and people would register in them because they had no option. So registering abantu mu CBO is normal. Is normal. But that brings me to the statement. Why should they be
Wait.
That brings me to the statement. Which chat yambire Uganda currently. No kugira ngo kitendesa no Museveni tachiza. We would see very many people wanting to be babysitters because they want to associate with the first family period.
So amanya kubuza politics na narrative na mobilization aba pure by positioning bine narrative bine engeri bakutambuza, that is 1 2 barimba mobilizing ihanga iwe hochi nka political force nka political party, anyone at that.
Isibwa na moderator ale bintu bibire byoranga twagaruka ho kachenyuma mu 2011 amashitaga atembere twakora efforts
Activists for change.
Yes.
Mwajite mu gazeti.
Twakozere efforts
yajibwamo ba FDC, right? And other
change seeking office
forces.
Gazeti number what?
Twajikozereho barabira in the same one of their
you raise it.
FOC
over yo
wagira ngo ikimiri koro kimiri byo mu gazeti. FOC we have allowed gazeti
number teka yawe bigambo byanyenya nakubuza members ba parliament and you are strong that gazeti
chama oyabena kura FOC akalunga ro parliament.
So twamazire
kwa kama ni ntekateka ngo kijyo nakubuza ni chuche nyingi very contradiction.
No.
Abako
You have no right to speak about FOC, which was not even a simple group, which was actually a reactionary sort of group unregistered, and you are blaming people which is registered.
FOC,
and you are talking about Gazette. Gazette number what?
FOC a care pressure group. MPs by FDC. Kama yeye party.
Never did.
Is this a pressure group?
Yeah?
Is PRO a pressure group?
Yes, we allow. What is
the CBO can't be a pressure group?
Who said you is the
what is the civil society organization?
What is a pressure group?
No, you want to tell Ugandans that PRO is not a
what is a pressure group?
A CBO is a community-based organization.
What is a pressure group, Amon?
Why do you create a CBO?
Amon, what is
you see, bwana moderator, hata ebintu bibiri ebintu kukira kwe harobiro bwingi, but one
umurama gwa kustamira gurijo,
but one
that is not for you to judge.
Ekirungi niwo bwo kushoboreza na ndio tari mu
John, that is not for you to judge. Commissioner John, please. Commissioner John, please. Amon in wine time. Amon, it is your time.
You see, there are two things aliho omukama wanje kigamba ata nabura kuchetegereza, but shortly I understood it. Nimako kukigamba binye nza kubanyiza kukanza kukigamba nacho. The problem of Uganda are the called elites. Abakwite bintu bakubimanya bakabiyima amisho bakehunamisizo ko background. When senior media activist atakwahura community based organization atakwahura civil society organizations na government or regime in power, then we have a problem.
Okay, civil society organization.
Tell us, is it common?
Because under normal circumstance, when the government is doing very well, it's quite a non-government organization.
Because omukwetegereza kwanye civil society haramwe kanisa, haramu church, haramu NGO, haramu community ne ya revoyance konkani ne hezaba nkati icyanagamba PRU civic organization. Civil society ne twara mu byona. In my understanding, including
so hatwa turiyo political scenes yadde muliyo mukwebuzabuza tumukwenda kukikiriza kandi mukukimanya wareta ene officer wa electoral commission nakugira ngu PRO ye kasimba candidate
no
Police group kusimba candidate.
no tete kutakuta candidate
so ati bo MPs bakabiye
they are associated ngoko mwabagize no mu
Enforce kugira parliamentary forum usiko sales. Tokugira usiko sales mukasimba
isi bwana moderator
encore parliamentary group
isi bwana moderator ezesha yestito tukusinga yo magezi abari yo ko background abakusendikana messages nangu nibasingana ki bazareke listen abari yo ko background basayino batsinga ari na kusinga ki kungubu ntibagira ki so kwa bari yo kutesa ahamramwa omutayari west abarono baragira ki wayenda kubigurira amasimu norabigurire obwire bakushaka nogira ki kunga kimasanga tabakugira ki
okay
so if members of parliament
fundamentally echoro kwa kapiro yindiki fundamentally
mitunda mu karoti ndese mbero na PRO tina inagirebere ki
no
tekagira members of parliament etabi
ebindi byona PRO ebyo kukora no mangwe inamani echo takwicheza no jangwe ne members of parliament. Is that your point?
But icyo ni kimanya mutugo na mutima go noboro kutima misho
so tire ibakuza PRO ite in future
urira bakashaba minywano wanje owasingira karora
bakugira ngo
listen bakashaba minywano wanje owasingira karora with due respect akariwa NRM
agar minywano wa mozo korga kare
I don't care but akariyo wachi
inubwa bayisimenya bushozi
I mean akariyo wachi
n'umuntu wa muhozi munonga
bere akariyo wachi
torabwina abantu abateye ikisani cya muhozi ne cya Museveni ne cya candidate hagati itorabwina
uguwa ubunda we nota kumanya kwiya ugo ndijo mwine mpaka akariyo NRM so turice kubizabiza abanya Uganda kuba diverting as the beginning of a political year I mean time
amone nyandogareke mu kibuzo iki PRO ite in future o myaka 5 do you machetachi do you is it machetachi do you dismiss it
in what
no dismiss
za civil society organization or za politics
okwere kuona amorphous as you want to put it
ebya amorphous ne byawe
so teine future teine impact
hate ngokuwa kushanga
because twantubuza ngokuhindura bwembezi bwa PRO y'ikimanyisa ki so iwe tine kikumanyisa
but ikinanye kinakwereka why don't you bring the constitutional rights ba Nicolas Opio cabinet civil society organizations and what kaba discussing
kandi tudwe muri mu rwego rwa niko kugira ngo tudwe tugamba hasirimo tabacho tugamba hari ebola which kind of reason is
isi abanyamahurire na media activists bumwe hinne okumukupampinga issues
nakugira ngo musheja atene
happy you want to determine what tayari was should discuss if they discuss today if they discuss corona tomorrow they can discuss ebola to so kubabuza tawacha kubuta ebola
isi na moderator
abantu babari elected in members of parliament bari appointed in ministers chairman wa PRO akabeta o meeting bakija bakakwata nesha no baso tajya ngwejo organization teine impact on political discourse ihanga are you not being an escapist ebintu notayanga kubira
now which impact and over what are they discussing national importance ninga personal issues
so you dismiss
because they are right forums
so to be an impact
listen they are right forums cabinet yastaman cabinet headed by the executive judicial commission na judiciary yastaman judicial parliament yastaman
people's government
parliament yastaman
2016
parliament
so omu strategy omu PFF
no but they have the people's government
strategy
bese kaza mushaka ya appointing ministers omukishaka kare no migania zo mukishaka and muse minister wa Ottawa
bese jo bwahera hizo akakora government ya Israel yabantu amuntu ramuhakanise
nabo akaba muhiri
wamadido bakampa wa makaniseno wa makaniseno because it's on record it's on record kuyajira omukote nakawa yajatena mazima nkasinga na yereza government ereta obujurizi
and to you
listen
and to you
government ereta obujurizi kwere yasije
and to you
obujurizi bwabura obujurizi bwabura government ya dropping omusango
wazi gazetted
because wagamba gazeti ni waleta
was
gazeti
gazetted
as a president
no
wazi gazeti
na presidency mushiche was gazetted ngampiwa na
people's government
people's government ngambere kitongo kimwe cha government ekyaba recognizingire mukagera muri civil society organization nanguka PRU people's government which you never
opposing what Nyana jangu 2016 nocho la 2016 Boaz nocho maichi njoko lyo mnyamaure kakoni
ama ntoba mazumuka yisate chayanga
listen okolyo omnyamaure kakoni 2016 abakuturi anabaturikira Dr. Besigye akera his went ahead formed whatever it was pale government the sitting regime yamukiriza yamutwara omukoti yeko mukoti bamdaho omushango yikiriza ngo akera hiza kandi namazima government kwere no gushiriza ngo ekemustindire erete ki 4 years down the road government ya dropping ati omushango
mina akaja ya president
and basically akakora government y'abantu wakireba tuwareba buzubu nayo then PRU niyo kudismissing
no even chama lead is still the government and is in Imbare
John state attorney John over to you John over to you
let me tell you when I'm a footballer myself when we are playing friendly match we don't do hard tackles
umuzano tumukutera
ati ngeje intunga musinyo hard tackle mso kujikora but here when I'm here with Amon is like a colleague I don't want to do hard tackle kunka you have admitted ulicharaza umusana nugudwa because mwe minister wa water and environment omwahiri wa minister alimbare ni state attorney chamadi okoto mukamwe ahoga
and has never resigned
he's there he's giving water to bad so hati ebintu ya pressure group na gazeti tebiso kufikingo mu statement yamo kuba tugarika the Patriotic League of Uganda Patriotic League of Uganda twanjire twikirize mwana mukuru mmoja mukuru na rumwana muzigiju wa National Resistance Movement kandi uwe echakwija kuongeraho mkenkora ya National Resistance Movement nawe umwana mukuru wo PRU all broad based na yakira kurigana hand nicho kurora na president general wa DP PRU yalo nicho kurora abanupu ba Jimmy Rwanga bahe bakagabano barabarigire bona bakabalumu even when they were still nicho kurora na abanda ba PFF nibaba lumu bagira ngo chukuru mbanze muri kitu ha ukamu bwasaze PFF nabali so hati nyowe ekinta kufera ya bagambo byabana ibigambo na president Museveni bebe najyo mshaka kagambo ibya what will they do ngoje kora cyaba they useless is a bandit ugoje tukabe najyo atwaje BBC this Museveni here is a bandit mosquitoes will kill him from nowhere so itwe tukwenda abantu bokoreka PRU y'umuhanda kuko PRU y'umuhanda negumanya abagitandikire mu biro byatandikirwemo nabamanye bigenderwa byabo I don't think at this time we have a lot of time and space to entertain lecturers on what PRU should be doing how it should be doing it PRU nemanye cyagitandikisize abantu kubogamba PRU on every single village of Uganda ebyare mitwaro musanzu ne 12 mbamanya PRU ni kimanyisaje kandi kuboja certain villages including my village Nyakakindo in Hima town council okagamba PFF abantu basokubuza kandi ogombazi kanosa gukaragaho PFF hati no PFF mbaji confusing na PPF ule mbazo kwa namba hati mbaji confusing
mbazo gwenzo
PPF kandi mwatuletera PPF abantu okubimanya bakijya ngo mbazi gwente abantu ngo mbazi guri gwakara ubwo kutera abantu ababene barwaleziko so PRO omuntu
sewe na PRO yina bakujeta pera
no problem ngabye koza nkana okuba nino na kujeta pera
but pera is food
kandi you want
na PPF geguri yombas
sigura rugero
gato no chibeba ujya
hata nyoka ngambe
kandi nabone yakurya tage kina ya pera
amoni nawe nakimanya ngu NRM today nugwe kugira ngo yaba nibakweta kugira ngo yaba deregistered today PRU tomorrow ekaregistering as a political party bakagira ngo tugarike mu karuru ka president ka parliament na ka local governments PRU netunge n'entebe nyingi kushiriza NRM at all levels including the percentage and Amon knows that so okwiti hanu akagira ati you see PRU I don't know it is important we are happy if actually cyaba ncijya kuba kibi Amon kuba yeza hana akagira ati PRU ati ebiriyo nekora nimburora it me I would walk out of this studio okuba how do you know ngo omuntu opposition na feeling impact yao when they start becoming dismissive when they start saying oh no tetumumanyi byakora tetumumanyi tebiruma amateka bamukwate yana agera
ebitaina magezi tetuba magezi
ebitaina makuru tetuba bude tetuba makuru yana agera ngo abantu ngo abakujya abakuterwa karuru nga NRM bakaka hari bakajya abantu constitution ya Uganda niho muntu right to associate with whoever so oyo nogira ngo amusikankunda MP wa Rwampara obuyashiro mpala akaba member wa golf team muhati wa Rwampara musemiriri ko banza kumukoraho urukiko kugira ngo ujye mu golf nari volleyball hato umuntu wenda kumubinga ngo aje mu golf team nari mwine mpaka wakuza basketball politics is management of society and you can manage society from different spheres from my angle where I sit nkabagamba hano last month show this very show ekaye moderating njurwe omumodu wibanda no omugaranda ngabagambira nti for us we are happy akukuba ikisanja kinu president Museveni ikirize kukitegeka hunundu muntu you see president tandu musaba president okutegeka
abana tuzero wana kashabara stam of office
ikisanja kinu kukitegeka
na Muhozi teka techera mwine nako
ikisanja kinu kukitegeka na General Muhozi Kigaba we are very happy entandike biri nungi ntwenda ngo muhamuza kandi ntwenda ngo mutahabana mutegeke hamwe kurungi paka ikisanda cyindi cyhwire tutandike ikindi turore mugagaraka kubonja
so vice president
nagira ngo bategeka mu bya vice president n'abagamba vice president namanyane ndamweta ha excellence
so mbategeka batahamu
Rose Epel
so mbategeka batahamu
president nategeka
president wabantu bazakaruru
president bamweta Rose Epel Jessica kugura mu baraji I know what
so president abantu bakamuhakaruru
president bakamuhakaruru
najata tegekana ategeka atara muhozo batarahire karuru
muhozi you know gira ngo bakaka president we mana kugira ngo hakatiko ka NRM hakawo wa coordinator wa PRU chairman wa PRU obabemba kora omukoro guno gwa pamoja obabemba kora gwa pamoja akamtarajira omuntu ya konzeri akujira mukoti
muhoza kar running mate
muhozi can authoritatively tell you the number of votes he contributed to the presidential and parliamentary election. Nobody else in this country can do that. Nobody else. Not the vice chairman of NRM, not the secretary general, not the vice president, not the prime minister. But Muhozi can tell you at never appear you members banje nambe tikajikuha waki. So ito nkichiraniza na presidenti okutegeka enchuro yenu hamwe na Muhozi. Ntusaba ngo ebindi bintu berekere Muhozi okuba kwasaganya ko ibintu nturana kugenda kurunjo mu meiso obuturaka hagataho obukirani cyetagisa omurayenda kamwe yakabiri yendi kugira nayo utegeke hamwe no problem koko borayenda bamurekura
abanye mutagambe mukwenda mukata no bwiro mukenda
mutwende kwa president nombwenda ya kwa president ntugwenda as soon as possible if possible 2031 konka itu tulubana bendeni abakugira ngo tujya hajiko muzeire ngudi harubagi
tumubateze
aitu tulubateze kwa president ntugwenda actually for information tukantugwenda 2026
cyayanga
omuzire agira tukumura hasi tugira ngo tugwenda 2031 ubwo aragira ngo tugwenda tukumura kandi baragira tumije mu nyanda hapo kwa president na yandi hanga ayamba fe kiyamba fe kumera president
kwa King Charles King Charles mente bakajumera miaka 5.
Ito kanda kitu ya 52. Hiyo 52. Noro na besi jwa sanzo nyanga naona achende kwa president tu miaka 5. So itwe habara kwenda wachinana na nebi.
King Charles scenario.
You know, we are waiting for it to show, and this time we are ready. And we are very sure 2031.
Yes.
Over to you. Ekigendero kyangu nekyali yali muhoza na isimba lyali.
Wakati kajiroka na ngenda kwanza ku mnyaro wa mpaka apology.
Pereka kumbera ninyegambera titero maspisi yanje
ya mpaka apology yetu unagabyo ne
echo neshuba abakutureba kore nabi yankabiri
nabo kushaka bakwatsere kwa gomenti ngine kusegende yire mwende ya very sorry mnyaro wanje humura. Now wamboze kibuzo ngo nsitekateka ngo ndiari mbere kako gambere
okay
Boaz
oba commissioner kache tutunge ka update to korga chikube mu byakaruru then tsagaruka akubure buri tuchubwine silver ko banore leta sound it is okay.
124. Total number of rejected invalid ballot paper 887. Total number of ballot papers counted 36,211. Number of ballot papers spoiled 74. Accordingly, as a returning officer for Chikube Electoral District, in accordance with Section 147 of the Local Government Act, Cap 138, I declare Chisembo Pade, who has obtained the largest number of votes, to be elected candidate for Chikube Electoral District. I call upon Mr. Pade to come forward.
Pade Nachi! Nado!
Candidate Chimanyero is also invited to.
Now I invite get the copy of the results as well.
Okay, let's invite candidate Chimanyero and the class to also approach the returning officers desk.
Mwesengerize gatekeho duseriva kimari atakuba impabuza na rona ndakamera bakaba
Chimanyero is invited to receive a copy. My agent has come to receive the copy. Please. congratulate the people of Chikube for having successfully gone through the by-election exercise. At this moment, the declaration is done, and that marks the end of the talent center activity at this moment. What we appeal is peaceful conduct and as we go out, and also wish best leadership for the district. God bless you and keep you. Members of the press will be getting a copy of the results shortly, so please let's organize, as well as other stakeholders as the return officer prepares. Thank you very much, members of the commission, staff of the commission, for the exercise.
Akariyetu twagaruka twakwakira mutabarikiyo omuri Kikube ibamba barakaruka chairman C5 candidate Oshotwa movement no yasinga ukanarebayo abakuru bona director of mobilization senindi so ntabatabarisi abokwe kongado ndagaruka aha kiganiro kitu ukwindo bwembezi bwa pelo winchi manyisaki nazo wa commission apore ni assistant RDC abwambara state central kungate cyo cyonka n'umuntu mukuru mpiro yu norani sati yagijuire emushikirege so ini cyo abantu tuhire yupore
now wamuze tuboze ati ndyaro murafata umubebezi of course na actually that's created ya head of us now no kureba ngo
twakoraga na his excellency the president twayamba abakozi ba government bayamba NRM leaders twakoze pamoja tena PRO and the government twakwatanisa kureba ngo twaza implementation ya government programs twashikiriza ekyetengo kya muzeye itogira ngo no more sleep mu kisangiki and no more corruption so our task now no kureba ngo twakwatanisa kandi twakoraga naje nabebembezi abari mu government the ministers members of parliament the RDCs the cows and the rest kureba ngo abantu bitu batunga uhereza service delivery bargomboro ekyetengo cya president no kureba ngo origana nizibona ku kintu basika cyone sankyaza ku kimyaka 5 iki abantu bona babene household incomes corruption yarwo mu Uganda abantu batunga services PDM yakorera abantu emyoga yakorera abantu women's empowerment fund yakorera abantu goroma n'abakazi basitunga abayose batunga sente zabo people with disabilities batunga sente zabo abantu batunga meza marungi abantu batunga gutube takashikiri amashomero bagata kombekirwe agasiri school za sabuka wonte batunga amashomero marwaro hazamwe mbazi twatunga district hospitals kugira ngo tuyambo overcrowding irwa gitu ya government na ya government ba national referral hospital those ebibete bitu bya PRU kukira munongo kwerengo Uganda hariga mu corruption
so
kongera ndakirere kongera shongeje uyavererake kugira ngo at least we have cabinet ministers kandi okukira munongo babahere ministerial babahere ministry ben for example minister of local government which is ya baram. Actually, the Minister of Local Government is the heart of the government.
Naza kujibasa.
He's going to try. Naza kujibasa. Bara mu takwasa kuri muki toka mu mission ngo yamurema. Minister kana kujibasa. Ranga atankati yatira. Washa nkabara disease nabo twatunga abantu bita ba PRU. Wategereza n'abana namara bara discipline abenge n'abagera PRU. Bacha passions up to the PRU. Twakwaza kugira abakozi ba government mu ndomo nabe n'umutima gwa PRU kukosa corruption na service delivery abasuka service delivery ntubasa kwa kivinga iketengo cha president na nenkore ya president na noko ya makwa president konga kene kwenda kwamza ito mission yitu in transition yitu kwenda twende bokweta ngo free and fair transition bategereza already Uganda nizi itoa pili tukaruga twabora kankai mzee kwa rajwa hoki ato stand by generator uzigeno MK
ompiro yo
kandi kirungi cyabanya Uganda bakamwakira bona bamwakira ompiro shemero yes
ompiro yo haramu debate haramu ganira
very much
kanshot ayitukureba ntureba ucyumuhoza aragamba icyumukorana mutero mungaro
because let me tell you one thing
are you not cheerleaders
atomozi yagambe kigambo kimwisikale ngukishire n'ikirungi kuyamabanya Uganda why do you want us to oppose him
hawe haro umukora ngo yashobye harajya gukora mukabona
ngo yageno muhozi kinarga bani mureba n'abacyamana wa PRU n'abasidefu wa Uganda tarashobine mu yarakoze ragare ngo neshobe I have never seen it
tokara gasho za muhozi
tene yarakoze ndare ngo neshobe tikagirebaga nyo to me otegereza
umazire imbaga makumyano mu State House norora so nakuri
so tweets ze nebizo kubanza gambaho nebishane by'abantu abo imwe tubikuba kwata
tweets and I know and I know how he's managing his streets oketegereza ikindi cya kabiri
nobuzo kwaze neka kwata na human rights
general MK owo kureba this is a person I may call him a son of the revolution. Akazaro his excellency the president. Yazaro mama Janet. Yazaro msheya wa magezi munonga. Ka amagezi agumize yine yene mke n'ugwinde. And is well entered. So yaza kutwinga twitiye. Nabene kigendero abonchi yakitwitega no kwa nachumanya. Najibazira nana muke kumanyisa. Do you see that kakubuza? Ubwo nuwe yakigamba ngumushagaza Sandhurst. Yakora kose zama zone. Is a CDF of the what was forming in Minister of Defense.
So hati wajya mu muzako imwe nkapiro yo mu ruko rwansa obushomankozi no kushomesa abantu kundi hanga. Hati exactly mukora kwihamutanda kati activity kimwe akozere ukajyotaha tukayamba ho kurwansa corruption aha tuyambira kundi hanga.
Bene kankubuza.
Wewe kusorganiza
ngana Minister of Defense. Do you know how much when again MK sentence is here gariro mu treasury is here chungwire 0 trillion
ukanya no mudumizoma
munyana ukandi to cyabana wa PRU yimana utanakana cyabana wa PRU
so zoro to stands
why yes ni cyabana wa PRU uginwa kigama presidential advisor on special operations kan CDF wa Uganda
so mu stakushobye
ekidagama n'kintu kimwe iwe ni wabuze kibuze kuyagena MK nabaho
kaka yotoka lebele
shobye na ujantu yokuyana PRU ntarika PRU gene MK na bacyabana wa PRU I have never seen his mistakes
so to cyo kutana hona umuntu yakateka
no ni wagira we cyakora cyo natware gutishire we support him because he is our chairman is our leader
just mdashika zawe
so hata decision making ne korwa buri kintu cyona
decision making ne kora chairman wa PRU and central committee members yes committee members
yito bakadaide ndimo tuli hansa masasa
yes
so mwega the government hata nzibura kubuza program
because abona haroho operational base haroho tactical base haroho
strategic
yes
abasida bali strategic level but to actually lower operation hasi operation hope foot soldier tulibakadibe
so hata muntu John kankubuza
muri kintu kujanzazo ubundi bwa PRU n'ibyo kozere hata gukora baro
John wabona umuntu muto ariko yenda kuba grounded akajya ati John nyenda mbu umuntu wamani nyege public speaking no mu recommending akoza naguru nari chadondo
naguru
no mdago za PRU na za secretary
in offices hano the trend and bugambe nawo
hata icyo ruhuni kintu insegutere te nari
PRU na kugira baside ngoma bagitegeka babiri ubura takachimwe zinana mu business ndibyo bagitegeka umwe nagera ati none ahogu umugurisa agera ati nikiriza umugurisa nagera ati muri cyo ubwo atananyo nikiriza ati afite bategeka ohere shigura kusimira mugozi ikiri special and no Uganda na sini
no respecting ishe munonga
uhiro na by the way icyo ku respecting abazire iki ni kintu cya nikali cya hanu yankole hanu nkole but respecting abazire muno of course na some other parts but nkole I think rarely umuntu abe opposition atari opposition nkore I give it to you banyankore respect their parents. I think if I'm not confused more than any other tribe in Uganda. More than any other tribe in Uganda.
But in a Bible and
yes, no. Some other tribes it may sound tribalistic, but I'm I appreciate you for that. Muhoze kintu kimwe cyakozira abanyarwanda bindi kintu takomanyira. Ari natujira tukutura politics mugiye gukora.
Yes.
Ari naenda kana chikora nkana kutamisa abantu politics. Abantu basimira ku politics bajya gukora. Yesterday ngiro mu Central Market. Ngiro muzida wanje mu Lebanon. Anjizire nguye nayenda umuntu kumasapurayinga amapere mutwaro pade siriro kwa kuyabura twine mapero mutabuno amapera atwaye kubona amapera
abuja tashabebere amapera investor wa barfani abuja tashabebere
investors ana true stories
hata
amapera ngachana kubona wampara
hata abanya shabere bitu
Rwampara the leaders of Rwampara here abasimiri kumbagambara abantu ngo byara amapera muzidana ndagatwara Lebanon no singo inserira abakazi wasukumba nanga chukuru cyoko muzidana ndumutwaro kumupande I got another investor naende busy 10 za local 10 goats local goats per day umumwaka naenda kuseninga na contract obunoda kumuha embuzi 13 kaga 5
ati
I went to Kashaga I'm telling you Pierre which is
ataye koze which
ekiriyo nekora iri negambara abantu muri byo
baze gukora baryo mbo
hata ninde mukorora mu gutakwenda kugamba hebi niwo kutamusa abantu politics baryo mbage mu misiri yabo bajya amafamu let me tell you hat ko commission abantu baje kwinga abantu baje
commission yenda ko kweza de kibirimbo ne kuzaho money then tuje turkwendera
amapira gabuziri
ashabe bitu na bitu ashabe bitu commission
yes
abantu wajyangu bara DC nabahagira Pierre yu ba DPC
tunagira ngo bona
okay
aba Pierre yo
na batakuhagira kibari hamutu
ba MP ba minister okwirukanga bari abantu ba movement bine emirimo ya government bakirwanga zo Pierre yu okweto kutega karyija ngo bari yone betega habwanyensya abona ubeta bahagize nari ni bakira Rosiri
actually ababona imbasaka
abona patriots
no I call them patriots ikintu cya kabiri n'abanyayiganda bakoreye bo mesho abakoreye what is coming n'abayiganda beteketekire transition ishayona
so mbagena n'ingoma heganda
bagena ne kugenda mukaba ababa nabagaruka nyuma bamyana
so
bare baba n'abatabogaruka nyuma kuko kaba abantu abakogera PRU abari mu government by members of parliament, by ministers, by chairpersons, by districts, by RDCs, nangwa n'abakozi ba government bari mu nda bakogira PRU n'abanyayiganda bona tweta foot soldiers, supporters, warriors kuko nabeta bona abona n'Uganda nizi abaryo n'barebe
so ekigomero mu cyane kisabira ko political party
kigomba takazandika mukama wanje kongera kukaki 15 years here from 2011 2012 amataka hagakanga gure nseko hari hayine kizanuru hari yakisara abantu bagasigaho abandi ngo batasha Tanzania abandi bajya nakasongora konka ababone barora hara bakagura hano kisara hari esete igemu nugura square me so alaba kurora hara
so this is political business
uri cyana kugambira
so this is political business
no
political business you know good example
umukuru Amon ekishani kiroho nikitworeka politics of personalities John Museveni enarema jini Pierre yu Muhozi nupu cyagoranye PFF ekarimo no kutawukandida kugira ngo Besigye ari umuchomi politics izombe cyara habantu any team cyamo politics uko mbe cyara habantu is it not concerning
well it's concerning awenshon mwazo mbere nkureba ka video ka kahenda no bukareka kirizo kunshemeza bukareka kirizo kunshemeza and probably I can still state it has that Uganda kaberho tutaro erho turuho kandi eje kuba tutagizera ki tutaro pakine naona kugira ngo you wake up one day utaru but you have not woken up akofire not waking up. One, Uganda Nanka and other countries currently abazango nabachiraka gamba jangu if you don't think you die, and if you die those who think will occupy space. Well, politics na systems zitu ni currently nizereka ejo patronage. Na mnyano wanje yagamba sana nkaha transition, but there is a succession, not transition. Kuba kubira bakuhanka John utuye tukuyo akugambira NRM kadeidei ngira ngo ukundi harugo mu family hazo mundijo
kashe democratic process ya leta undijo
president tinkubwenda kwa sasa.
Listen. No.
Don't cause me problem. Which problem?
That manifestation.
Thank you.
That manifestation.
You are correct.
No, DSTV ari yo mukoma tarike kuseka ngiro bakundi.
Don't make a point.
I mean, systems kuza kubirezirikiria. Yes, bara mu karuru akariya karuru. The winner takes it all. I have no problem. Bara mu karuru karichi
ndije kuraba
ana kurigire biro
whatever
muhoze kusinga karuka president cyoro bikusinga cyagoranye kusinga kusinga kwa
I mean I'm saying bara mu karuru karuko, but which is impossible because no kwa NRM kuruganga 206 tebakatera presidential candidate akaruru.
Okay.
So you cannot be convinced ngwari bari mu kutera presidential candidate akarua flag bearer wa NRM ngwata shatuna gumene baragireki
yabara munonga.
So kwa neba takatera we are seeing a succession other than transition.
Thank you.
Because njoko de garankati we John na ishika na chimanya ngo 206 maguru bakamwirusa
yabara munonga
2011 about 2013 over 12 the what
yajamna
atkura mugambira president
yajamna tina
unaona chimanya
Moses wa mugoye arakashonye bari kutureba mutunye wiri bafosari robari hari antunga bona atureba Kato Jackson arakazona atureba Mugisha Agustin aribana natureba Vincent Debekinari yahambara natureba Mugumini ko arasa natureba Tugumar Fonsa aribana natureba Maseka Nyamisa ari kino natureba ningira bamwumba tsinkira message nimwe bare bantumwe abatureba online na on air tukoseda chike mwemwe twendere program John erekigemo umuhanda
nowe ni transition na succession bigambo kwenda kumanyisa ikintu kimwe transition unless kubo bano manyisa munonda kuruga system ya governance enu na political pattern but to succeed someone kimanyisa ngu electoral system itwine umujo mukaruru kandi ubu kumara kusingoli over successor ubu asaze mu successor warukari ni the honorable
Kulisi
bakasha
the very able
so kugira ngo nguwo tali successor na transita inokoti ngo hakaba transition tarabe rogo ni engineer urujungu to kusoma ko now for me aba Uganda abalyoku mumanye ngu mwino mwana wa Majesere aba movement mwino omwana wanyu go PLU.
Thank you.
Patriotic League of Uganda
John
obwira bona habulishira yugo mu stand by over kugira ngo umuhanda ogwaguri nkayero ekwasire nalite kwasire hati umuhanda bigumu otajya kubuza nkande bigumisire byari ekitulumu nico kimwe General Muhoozi Kainerugaba kuba president wa Uganda anytime president harartari ngira
yabara munonga oba chibanke cha King Charles oba chibanke cha amaniterere program.
I'm glad
you have resigned as the opposition.
I'm glad and I'm happy akarenkanye nobo bango General Museveni abasakusigo NRM but good enough NRM eri kusigaho General Museveni I'm glad
okotindiki
nkamuma General Museveni abasakusigaho NRM but currently wayehurura NRM esigiro General Museveni
ekikusembayo
tade muhiriza ibintu 1%
ekikusembayo nogira no gambira abanya-Uganda mwarime empapuro ziriyo zikurabamo zokusayiningaho okuyabaguma omushango gwa Dr. Besigye zibugane mu signing
yakuremba mu rombantu Dr. Clifton Manyoro mu journal ibanda yebare kutureba Dr. Commissioner yo n'ikigambo cyo kusiba
yebare munonga munywani wanje Boaz na banywani banje banyine mu studio nyewe kingambira abanya-Uganda n'ikintu cyumwe
bazikora
PRU ekija mu Uganda ngenda kusima abantu mwena abagizi ba PRU ngenda kusima abagizi ba General MK konka wano nakuhagera General MK kandi wabo riyo muhagizi we ninyene kugambe ibintu biri yoshimeye ko hari cyo kubanza yahari inguzi ukuriye inguzi icya kabiri yahare ukwenda kugezaho ushisho busenge wa Uganda ino businge abaganda bino businge icya kashatu cyo kwerekayo yahare okubara ukundi hangari yawe n'ibintu bishatu ukundi hangari yawe ukunde government ukure government byo kwenda rero kushisho bushinge kandi ikindi cya kabiri yahare ukuriye inguzi kandi cyo kushemba ikimbanaga muri abantu imwe abantu abakwagira PRU muri abihiro nimbeta ngo ni muri abanya-Uganda abene butekateko ebirege butekateko by'abandi kandi muri abanya-Uganda abakoreye barahari abakoreza ngo Uganda egume no businge mpaka na hate na ryari nebiro byose
yabara mnonga Paul Katwire Karamzi na assistant city assistant resident state commissioner abambara state central nyine omukuru tonawe John yabare kutayira tonawe John ni omucenjuzo w'enshonga tukira kureta nko wa movement ni bingi tukureta nko omucenjuzo w'enshonga kuba deeply rooted omunshongezi we thank you
kongereza kajeje nakakafumukire
yabare omwami Apollo
kakatafumukire
sorry yabare omwami amonoro bahema kurwo PFF amono muramwa yaheza yagwehara kweza yaganira ndusima bwembabazi twera kwebaza camera person witu Kato hamwe na Silver aya tutahambeho abwe byona naba ndi Boaz tugareke turebane urwakana mukama y'abakunzire murare kurungi